My name's Rhian Jones and I'm a food technologist from Food Centre Wales. My qualification is in hospitality management and I've worked my way through into being technologist because when I was in school and I wanted to work with food, that's all everyone told me, go towards hospitality. No one said about the manufacturing side of foods. Typical day at work is vary, and that's why I like this job so much, because you work with either a small client who's making food from their kitchen at home and want to be able to produce for farmers market, or another typical day could be going out to a factory to help with the paperwork, or alternatively you could be helping a large company who's supplying supermarket and wants to know about shelf life and nutritional. So the day varies from one day to the other with all different products. The best thing about the job is going either to food festivals, farmers markets, supermarkets, and knowing that I've helped one way or another to make sure that food is on the shelf. Don't let people tell you the only way you can do with food is cooking and be a chef and go the hospitality route. There are a number of jobs that people don't realize that you can do. You could do lab work, you could do new product development, you can do marketing, you can take photos, you can do social media, quality control. There's a long list of different jobs that you can have when you're in food manufacturing. My fact is, whatever you've eaten, a food technologist or someone in manufacturing has been there in order to make sure that food is safe to eat. Whether it's the shelf life of the breakfast that you've just eaten, and when people look at the use by day, best before we've done it, if you look at the labels, we've done the nutritional, we've made sure that everything's there. So anything you've eaten, a food technologist has been there to assist. I think my favourite food is something like a salami, because I know the amount of work that has gone behind in order to get that particular food on the table.